I'm actually looking to stay on the White Trail, according to all trails, so we're not gonna go that way. We're gonna go this way. Look at that nice seating. Nice little bench for some picturesque resting. Still not feeling it. Originally came here because I heard that there's a waterfall there, and I think that was the waterfall back there, but we've had some drought conditions here in western New York, so kind of not surprised. I should have saw that one coming a mile away. Thought I went off the plan for a minute there. Looks like the White and the Orange Trail are one and of the same, so we are right on track. Really enjoyed the benches here. I got a feeling I may be using them on my way back up. Alright guys, I'm going to focus on getting down to the bottom. I will catch up with you when I get there. Alright guys, I told you I'd bring you back. I keep my promises. We made it down to the end of the Indian Fort Nature Preserve. We are at the riverbed of the Genesee River, and you guys need to check out this view. Alright, so thanks for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. There should be more to come in the next time, and catch you guys soon.